Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete recently visited pages on your Facebook account. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Facebook app. Go to the menu icon, tap on gear, go to your activity log, scroll down, and here you can see log information, and here you can see manage search. Now here you can see all of your visited pages. To remove those searches, all you have to do is tap on these three dots and you can simply delete. So this is how you can easily delete recently visited pages on your Facebook account. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.